Let us move to the next problem. Under the right circular cone, the first problem states that find the equation of a right circular cone with its vertex at origin, axis along the z-axis, and the semi-vertical angle is alpha. Let us just recall on the side that what is the formula for the right circular cone, and I'm remembering it by x minus alpha by L, y minus beta by m, z minus gamma by n. So how will I remember my formula? I'm going to just multiply the numerator and the denominator. So L into x minus alpha, and then add m into y minus beta plus n into z minus gamma, and for the complete thing do the whole square. In the next step, just expand the whole square by taking element together and then multiply with the second terms together. So it could be L square plus m square plus n square into, you have x minus alpha whole square into y minus beta whole square into z minus gamma, because it's an angle, because we have a right circular cone which contains an angle cos square theta. So this would be the formula where alpha, beta, gamma denotes the vertex of the cone. Here we'll see that. First we'll see that what all do I need. I need the vertex of the cone, I need element, with this I can frame, and I need the cos theta. So looking at this, I'll frame given vertex. What is the vertex? Given vertex is origin. So my vertex would become 0, 0, 0. What else is given to me? The fixed line, the straight line passes through, given that given is what? Axis is along the z-axis. So when axis is along the z-axis, my drs would probably become, so I'm constructing my straight line. So I need the numerator, alpha, beta, gamma is already there, 0, 0, 0. I'm in search of Lmn. But the hint for Lmn is given that the given axis is along the z-axis. So my drs would be 0, 0 and 1. So can I frame my straight line? Yes. So my straight line would become, therefore the fixed line is x minus 0 by 0, y minus 0 by 0, z by 1. Since it is drs, you have to keep it as 0, 0, 1. You'll have to remember that. Then what all do I need? Am I done with x minus alpha into L, y minus beta into m, z minus gamma into n? So I'm done with this. If I'm going to look out, I can easily plug in into the formula. But what is missing? Cos square theta. He already said that the value of my angle is alpha and the semi-vertical angle is alpha. That means the value of the angle is alpha. So what else is given to me? Given the semi-vertical angle is alpha. So let us start plugging into the formula. L into x minus alpha, 0 into x, plus m into y minus beta, 0 into y. Okay, first we'll write, before writing all this, we'll first quickly write down the formula. So we'll write down the equation of the right circular cone, because it's asking me to find out the equation of a right circular cone. The equation of the right circular cone, because I have to tell the examiner that I know the formula, is given by L into x minus alpha plus m into y minus beta plus n into z minus gamma, do the whole square, plus L square equal to L square plus m square plus n square into x minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square into z minus gamma whole square into cos square theta. So here what is my cos square? Okay, so now I'll start solving this. L 0 into x. So without even looking into the formula, just I have to write on the formula. So I'm writing on the formula, but I can do it directly. 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z whole square, which is equals to L square plus M square plus N square, 0 square plus 0 square plus 1 into x minus alpha is x square plus y square plus z square. And my angle is theta. Theta is supposed to be alpha, so I'm going to write down as cos square alpha. So I'll be left out with z square equals to x square plus y square plus z square into cos square alpha. Now what will I do is that I'll put all my z square terms together. So what I'm going to do it over here is x square plus y square into cos square theta plus I'm going to expand this z square into cos square alpha, alpha, which is equals to z square. So what is it? X square plus y square into, because I want all z terms together, cos square alpha, which is equals to z square minus z square cos square alpha. Can I take z square common? If I take z square common, I'll be left out with 1 minus cos square alpha. Remember that 1 minus cos square alpha is nothing but sin square alpha. So I'm going to, in the place of this, I'm going to plug in what sin square alpha. So I'll be left out with x square plus y square into cos square alpha, which is equals to sin square alpha by z square. Can I send my cos square term to the other hand side? If I send my cos square term to the other hand side, implies x square plus y square equals to z square into sin square alpha by cos square alpha. What is sin square alpha by cos square alpha? It's nothing but tan square alpha. So I'm going to plug in over here, implies x square plus y square equals to z square into tan square alpha. This is my solution. I cannot simplify it further. Is the required equation of the right circular cone.